Good morning, guys. So it's now 7 in the morning, and I'm here in Melbourne, day 2. Last night I have a pretty good sleep, and now I've joined some one-day tour, and today I'm going to 12 Apostles, the most site that you should go for. So yeah, I'm walking to the meetup point because there are so many people there. So yeah, walk through streets and have a good time. Got my first coffee of the day and still walking to there. I can't live without coffee, but yeah, today's weather it's really different compared to yesterday's, so need a hot coffee. I'm here now. There's so many people. Hello. So after an hour's trip, I finally come to the first stop. It's the Great Ocean Road, and it was a really big river. Such a big river. So today we have a really a tight schedule. We'll finish at around 8 at night. So we'll go to a few places like Angel Sea, Polo Bay, I think, Polo Bay, and most importantly, the 12 Apostles. Just found a better view right here. This is the Great Ocean Road, the Angel Sea. I'm glad that I joined the tour, and it's a pretty nice river. Just walk you down here. Look at the Great Ocean Road. Jesus Christ. Oh God. I never thought it is such amazing. It's such a beautiful sea. God, how big is this place? Or should I say, how great is this place?
Several bad puns later.
If people come here, do tell me what the first thing you feel. I feel amazing right now. I feel like come to like a paradise or something. I need to go back now. Hey guys. So now it's lunchtime, and so we're in Apollo Bay. That's such a little village right here, and it's a pretty like a countryside, a town, and I'm not sure what I'm having right now, but probably I will have something Asian because it's been a while for me to have some Asian food. So probably we'll go to a Chinese restaurant or something like that and look around this place. It's such a village place, such a cool place. And here is our restaurant right here. Let's go now. I ordered a Peking style duck wrap. It's pretty good. So some of you might not know, we put some duck and put it in the wrap and some vegetables and put some sauce and we have it. And what else I've ordered? Rice noodles. It's been a while I haven't had this rice noodles. Just finished some lunch, and I have to head back to the tour bus again. So this is the other side of Apollo Bay. There are a lot of like restaurants right here, some souvenirs. It's pretty fun. Like you still have so many choices to pick for your lunch and dinner. So there are supermarkets, there are hotels right here, there are bottle shop right here. There are different kind of style of food, Asian, Chinese food, Japanese food, pizza, and this is the Apollo Hotel, Apollo Bay Hotel. So people probably will leave here to like see the view of the Great Ocean Road. And talking about this village, actually there are a lot of people who come to this place because around this area there are actually some music festivals and some music live performance. People do different kind of swimming events in the Great Ocean Road, and also they will have some like fishing activities, which pretty much they have so many rules when you fish. You have to be in a particular area, and you have limits of catching how many fish. You cannot fish over limits. So you have to follow those rules for you to fish here. Probably a lot of places you need to follow all those rules. Pretty much when you live here, it's quite a peaceful area for you to live. Alright, so live music. Here's a live music bar right here. Almost there. See you in the next stop. Hey guys, now I'm in the today's main focus place. Such a beautiful view right here. I highly recommend it because there are so many great angles for you to take pictures. Although there's like a backstory, really important backstory for you to know. You guys can check that out too. A lot of people do some filming here. And check out the rocks. Check out the rocks over here. It's amazing. Look at the ocean. All those stuff. So crystal clear. Crystal clear. It's amazing. I just went there, and now I'm walking back to the other side. And as all the Melbourne people said, there's unpredictable weather here. This morning is really cold and a little bit rain, and now it's sunny and the weather is amazing right now. The ocean. The rocks. If you haven't been to Melbourne, you should come here really soon, because I know that there's not too much rock now. You call it 12 apostles, but I don't think there's actually 12. I think there's, I don't know how many right now, but yeah. So do come soon. It took us a 1 hour drive from Apollo Bay to here. So it's amazing and worth it though. It do worth it. The weather right now is amazing.
I probably can show you a photo gallery later. I took so many photos here. Amazing. And if you really like the view, you can actually take the helicopter here and go to the rocks and take closer photos. Look at the look at the rocks. Most of you know that the reason why this is a really special, unique place for Australia is because besides on the history of it, and also there are so many different sea creatures under the water, unique and special. And yeah, it's a real place that you should come to visit.